Blends in good, don't he? You better watch out, old man. Oh, here's a big one. Seems like these giant lizards are gathering in this area for some reason. Whoa, dude, what are they eating? It's like a head of some animal. Oh my God. Wow, look at that monitor lizard swimming across the water over there in this park. That is so cool. Turtles over here too. There is some nature here. Lumphini Park, Bangkok. They're scattered around. He's medium. There's some big ones that are 3-4 feet long. He's about 2 feet. He's doing his thing. You better watch out, old man. Oh, here's a big one. Who's this guy? There he goes. And most of the time, they won't bother you as long as you don't bother them and get too close. Watch out, dude. He sees them, and they probably don't want nothing to do with him. Who knows, though? Depends on how hungry they get. Like they're all hanging out in this area. I think this pump right here is stirring up something and fish or something, and so the fish are close to this area and they're kind of hanging out, and there's a few trees hanging out in the water. Matter of fact, you see here's a couple monitors right here just going at it. I think it's a big carp or something. Smells like fish. Yeah, you can see it was like a catfish or a carp or something. It's almost gone now, but sorry about the noise. It's like a pump in here, some kind of water pump or something by this park. He said the rest of that's mine. That looks like catfish. Good eating there, buddy. 2 to 3 pounders, real good, fried up. There's a whole herd of them coming up in here just trying to get that snack. One of them caught it and drug it up here. Even the crows want a little bit of it, or raven or whatever they are. Oh yeah, you don't get to see that every day, unless you're here all the time. Ooh. He's a big one too. That one's pretty big. He's about, with the whole tail length and everything, I think he's probably about 5 feet long. About 18 inches in diameter in the center. Maybe more. That's about as big as they get. This species. Alright, thanks for watching. I don't know how I'm gonna cut the video up. I got a couple longer walk around vlogs of this really cool Lumphini Park and garden over here in Bangkok, Thailand. I think that if I did a top 10 things to see in Bangkok, this would be top 10, not any particular order. Well, it's different, and the statues and the nature is a little bit probably different if you're not from Asia. So I would say come check it out. At least come in the morning, especially when there's not as many people here, and come in the morning 7 to 9. Get out there. I appreciate it. Like and share the video. Don't be a hater. And remember, my motto is, if you're thinking about a place, don't just watch. Plan and go. And we'll see you later. Take care.